Earn your Claims Adjuster license today with Insurance Adjuster Claims Training from MileHigh Adjusters Houston. Receive your Texas All Lines Adjuster license for property, commercial, farm, and auto adjusting, all under one license. Our 14-day course includes licensing plus the 10-day deployment bootcamp. It includes hands-on scoping of claims, tools of the trade, multiple mock claims, and learning to use Xactimate like the pros. Our courses are delivered on-site at our Houston Training Center, including a day off, allowing you a relaxing break during your insurance adjuster claims training. As a retired Air Force trainer, lead instructor Billy Banks has the teaching background necessary to provide you a comprehensive learning experience. Passing our test allows you to obtain a Texas Resident Adjuster's License, a Texas Designated Home State Adjuster License, or preps you for your Home State Adjuster licensing test. Learn by inspecting our mock-up house that provides a tactile and thorough experience of what it's like to be out on the job. Invest in yourself at MileHigh Adjusters Houston to begin your insurance adjuster claims training today and walk the path to a profitable future. Payment options are available. Launch your career at MileHighAdjustersHouston.com or call 281-741-8505.